What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 18 tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create these really cool speed ramping transitions in Vegas Pro 18, because the last time that I covered these were a little bit on a different method, I think around like more than 2 years ago. So I thought, like, let's create this really quick 2021 version, because this video is a little bit on the short side because the function that we're going to use is velocity, and it's pretty straightforward to use. You don't need 10 or 15 minutes, to get, started with this. So if you guys are excited for this video, and if you guys want to know how to create these really cool speed ramping transitions, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're here for the very first time watching, and I would say let's get started creating these really cool transitions right after the intro. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, we are in Vegas Pro 18. So these are actually two clips from in the studio from a couple weeks ago when we were tracking guitars. So I'm going to use these two clips to make this really cool speed ramping transition, and basically how to use the velocity tool as well in general. So of course, when we're going to make this transition, we want to have our two clips both in our timeline touching each other right here. Then we're going to work also with markers. So how we're going to do that is we're going to decide how long we want to have this transition to be. So if it's going to be a really fast one, we're going to make sure to use a little bit less keyframes, and if you want to have a longer one, we're going to use more, because the more keyframes, the longer it's going to be and the slower it's going to look. So let me check on the footage right now how fast it goes. I think this one would be a really nice speed. So right here, we're going to hold our marker and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 keyframes. So let's make that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to press M on our keyboard to create our first marker. Then we're going to go to the very beginning of the second clip and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames further. So then we're going to also press M on our keyboard so we could create a second marker so we know where the velocity is beginning and is ending. So right here, what we've done now, what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to click Insert/Remove Envelope, and we're going to hit velocity. So then this green line will appear, and we want to first make a little dot in that green line, because if we're not going to do that, if we're going to start messing with the speed right here, it will actually, speed up the entire clip because the line goes up on this part as well. So we're going to first right click and we're going to click on Add Point. So anything that we've been doing from now on, from here on, will only be on this final part because this is the beginning dot. And right here at the very end, we're going to right click again and we're going to click on Add Point, and we're going to make sure that that one is all the way at the very end of the clip right here. But if you guys want to be 100% sure, you can also press S on your keyboard while on that marker, so anything that we will be doing is only done on this part. Okay, so now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this point is going to be at 0. So we're going to click on Set to 0 Velocity, and then at this very end point right here on this line, we're going to drag that all the way up. So as you can see, if I play it back frame by frame, it's going really fast. We're going to do the exact opposite on the second clip with this marker. So we're going to also press S, for example, to cut right here. Then we're going to right click on this clip. We're going to click Insert/Remove Envelope. We're going to hit Velocity, and we're going to create a point right here. As you can see, we're going to drag this one all the way up, and then at the very end, we're going to zoom in just a little bit. We're going to right click and we're going to click on Add Point, and then this end part is we're going to click on Set to 0 Velocity. So we have these nice lines appearing right here. Now we have like this kind of crossfade look on it, and that's how you can create this really cool speed ramping transition. So let's play it back and let's see what we have in total. As you can see, that looks really nice. We have this speed ramping transition going really fast. And of course, like if you want to have this slower, you can move your keyframes and you can create your cut a little bit later. You can also move this marker, as you can see, a lot back. You can then drag this clip further to that marker, and then if you play it back, it will look like this, and it's really nice. You can create a lot of different speed ramping transitions on, for example, like montages and b-roll clips, that's going like really fast, and then slow motion again with like a lot of music underneath it. So this is how to use that function, guys. If this video went by too fast, make sure to pause it, rewind it, do it at your own tempo, and there's nothing more to it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Now you guys know how to properly create these really cool speed ramping transitions in Vegas Pro 18. Thanks a lot for your continued support, guys. I'll see you guys, of course, tomorrow in a brand new Movavi tutorial where we're going to create a really cool outro, because of course 2021 is around the corner. We want to upgrade our channels if you want to grow and improve. That's all for you guys today, and I'll see you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.